In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer bonus amount to main account in 1xBet in Telugu. It will be very simple to do. Well, firstly, you will come and click on registration here. Now, you will just come and click on by email or the full inscription, where you will enter all your information right up to the code of country, where you will put India for this because Telugu is part of the language or part of the dialect in India, and you put your India number. Your password will be entered. Now come to your promo code where you will use POTV, which will help you to gain 300% of bonus at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will obtain $30. Then you will put all your information in the screen and you will come and click on register. Now when everything is set, you will come here on the menu, then you will come and click on 1x games for clicking on all games so as to play the games which are offered by 1xBet. So you can use the game Crash to play on it. Now what are you going to do? You will just place your bet here. If you have, for example, an amount of 500, you just put like 200, 300, placing what you want to play with depending on what you have in your account. So by playing now, if by winning, you will see that your amount will considerably also be evolving and it will increase, and you will just combine it with your actual amount you have in your electronic purse. So now, depending on you, if you want to withdraw or to bet again.